Come closer. Most people think the world is run by politicians or loud billionaires screaming on Twitter. The actual elite? They laugh at that. Because the real world is run in quiet rooms. No minutes, no cameras, no leaks. You don't know about these rooms, not because they have wax seals or secret handshakes. They hide in plain sight. Names like single-family office, sovereign wealth fund, invitation-only clubs, Tiger 21, Oswald's in Mayfair. Price of admission? $25 million. Liquid. And even that won't get you in. You get vetted for your network, for the intelligence you bring to the table. Meanwhile, the rest of us? Refreshing CNBC, watching stock charts, reading public earnings reports. The people inside these rooms are playing a completely different game. They don't trade stock tips. They move off-market positions, block deals outside public exchanges, acquisitions completed before a company even knows it's being bought. When a real institutional deal happens, 3 or 4 family offices fill it over one dinner, months before a broker ever sees it. That's why the rich compound exponentially, while retail investors buy at the top. Every single time. Real power doesn't ask for attention. Privacy is the ultimate leverage. You can't apply to these rooms. You can't Google them. You can't buy your way in with internet fame. The only currency inside is reciprocity. You become irreplaceable, so the room needs you. Stop chasing attention. Start building transactional value, and the right rooms will find you. Comment one thing you know that most people don't, and subscribe. Because tomorrow, I'm breaking down how the smartest professionals on Earth still fall for the dumbest investments.